Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a tasty snack, again which does not require much time. Many of you are working people, and when you come back home you may not have the time and energy to make such snacks. So in that case what you can do, I tell you the ingredients first. Here I have taken moong dal, the split yellow moong dal. I have soaked it in water. You can soak it overnight if you want to make in the morning, or if you want to make it as an evening snack, soak it in the morning. Minimum 3 to 4 hours it needs to soak. Keep it aside. Apart from this, you need some grated coconut and coriander leaves for garnishing, salt, chilli powder, garam masala and chaat masala. So these are the routine ingredients available in any kitchen, and a small piece of ginger. We are making moong dal bondas. So this soaked moong dal, let us first drain out the water completely from it. Drain the water thoroughly from the soaked dal and take it in your blender jar. Add a small piece of peeled ginger to this and grind it to a smooth paste. This should be the consistency. Remove it onto a bowl. To the ground dal, we'll add the other ingredients. Add salt to taste. Add some chilli powder. A little bit of garam masala. And you notice that I have already kept the oil for heating, because we need to deep fry this. So we have added salt, chilli powder and garam masala to this ground batter. Mix it together thoroughly. You can also add a pinch of hing to this. This is Eno. It is a Eno fruit salt. It is available in a bottle and also in small sachets, the one which we use when you have acidity problems. I use this in many recipes. I have used it for rava idli, for dokla. We use it to get a soft and fluffy product. So you take about quarter teaspoon of this Eno, add it to your batter, and then add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot oil to this and mix it very well together. Just before frying the bondas. This will help you to get lovely, soft, fluffy bondas. Now just take small portions of this batter and drop it into the oil. Deep fry them till they are a nice golden brown color. See, they are now fried well to a lovely color. Carefully drain them out on an absorbent paper. I had kept this coriander leaves for garnishing, but uncle wants me to add some of it to the batter itself. So there goes, you can do that also if you like, and make the bondas with the remaining batter. See, this batch is also ready now. You can switch it off and drain it on the absorbent paper. Your tasty moong dal bondas are ready to be served. They taste best when served hot. I have given some tomato ketchup here as an accompaniment. You can even give green chutney or sweet chutney along with it. Today I just put the tomato ketchup. And for garnishing, you can just garnish it with some coriander leaves and grated coconut. This is optional, it is not essential, but it gives a good appearance. See, this is the chaat masala. Finally, just sprinkle a pinch of chaat masala for that yummy flavor. This again is a no onion, no garlic recipe. A lovely, simple and easy recipe which even a beginner can make without any hesitation. So do try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy tasty recipes. Thank you.